Hi, I'm Drew Hopkins.
And I'm John Parr.
We are Viridis Aquaponics.
We have a vision to put an aquaponics greenhouse in every school in the United States.
The way that we've been dealing with food on a global scale needs a change.
With this greenhouse and this volume, we can feed everybody with a tiny footprint.
We're here in the middle of this great big commercial greenhouse, and we'd like to take all the components that surround us and bring it into a small greenhouse that can fit in a schoolyard. You'll see there's a current in the water and it's circular.
The Aquaponics Greenhouse Project provides a perfect learning platform for teachers and students. They can study anything from agriculture to biology, science, chemistry, and because ancient civilizations used this method to grow in thousands of years ago, they can study history also. So, you guys, what do you think of aquaponics?
It's healthier.
Yeah?
Reuse water. Doesn't impact the environment.
Healthier foods.
Yeah.
Less chemicals in my food.
Yeah.
The fact that one of these systems could exist in an urban environment was a huge draw to me and interest in aquaponics.
They say it takes a village to feed a family, and that's certainly been the case here. My wife and our 3 kids and Drew and his family have been instrumental in getting this thing done.
John had a great deal of knowledge. He's a guru of aquaponics and has made amazing technological advances. Our plan was to start with 5,000 square feet per month and just expand into it. Within 4 months, we'd completed this 90,000 square feet, 2 acres.
That's what I think that's what's blowing our hair back the most, is how much this can produce and how fast.
What can we do to change agriculture to make our planet better? And right now, there's so many people that are passionate about green living, recycling, composting, and eating better and more healthy that it's the perfect time to introduce aquaponics.
Aquaponics is the combination of 2 industries, aquaculture and hydroponics. It all starts right here with a tank of fish. This fish was planted 9 months ago at 1 inch long. Isn't that beautiful? A sturgeon. The sturgeon provide the nutrition by eating the fish food, which then is passed through a number of filters. Finally, it falls into this bladder. See, this is a bladder bag of water. It's just a big bag of mud. And as the water flows through here, it's available to these plants, which wick the water up and grow like crazy. It comes across here under the ground into the stream of water, and it comes up here like a spring, where everything that a plant needs is bioavailable in this teeth of water. Flows back and forth through these streams until it's deficient of nutrition again, and then it's circulated from here right back up to where it gets bubbles and falls like a waterfall and oxygenates the fish again. So the entire system is closed and healthy because clean water goes in and fertilizer water comes out. This is aquaponics.
I would say the 3 things over conventional farming that aquaponics provides is 1, sustainability.
Aquaponics must cherish the ecosystem, so we're really conscious of that. We don't put anything on these plants that we couldn't eat.
2, the yield.
Per square foot out in the field, they get 3 heads of lettuce per year. Here, we do 4 per month.
3, the water conservation.
We're using 5% of the water of all the farms around us to produce more food.
There you go. You bite into that thing.
I am a bit.
So this area of the table represents 5,000 seeds, which are planted every day. We plant 5,000 seeds a day, and we harvest 5,000 plants a day in each acre. With this greenhouse and the capacity to grow food at this scale, it's an amazing gift to put in the hands of children, teachers, and communities.
Okay, here we are. Same system really being used. And here is a view. Let me see if I can catch some fish there. As you can see, we got tilapia. Look at that. Catfish. Some goldfish. Goldfish are great because they help prevent mosquitoes. Then here's that second one I was telling you. Look at the plant.
styrofoam. You can buy that at Walmart. But you buy containers to hold up. I used a big container of ice any way you want to. There you are. But we're working as a system. There it is again. As you can see, it goes down here. And right there, putting air into it. See, it's nice and flow. And what I did here is I did something a little different, because the straight pipes, the water was going all the way in here. I didn't want that, so I just put, again, I spent 35 cents for these. And look at that, it just goes straight there. This is where it was. I just made it just in case, the second one, in case it was too powerful, because there's a pump. Again, a $15 pump, as you can see, it's just doing it. Instead of filters on the outside instead of inside. And as you notice, personally, I'm using the food grade tubing right here because I want people to see what's going on as we teach them. And as you see, it goes straight there, right there, all the way down into the system. Let me back up. And it's on a pallet just like there. Those are something I found. You can find anything you want to hold it up. It can be a table, it can be anything. And there we are. Is an aquaponics system that you can build. And I'm going to say, realistically, let's say $70, $75. Thank you very much. This is Chaplain Ian Perry wishing you very much luck as my son is saying goodbye. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at ki4ngz, that's a numeral number 4, ki4ngz @yahoo.com. And may God bless you and your family.